got a book on sale with KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, or are you selling, well, any other products with Amazon Merch on Demand or with Seller Central? Do you recognize the power of reviews? Well, in this video, I'll tell you why asking for them can do more harm than good, and then I'll point you in a more positive direction. Amazon reviews can make all the difference to your sales. When a prospective customer can't quite make up their mind, the reviews could be what tips them over the edge. Think of your own buying habits. Whether you scour the reviews or not before purchasing, you'll most probably at least scan them or glance at that rating. So let's get to it. Number one, first and foremost, Amazon want their customers to have a really excellent buying journey. They want the experience of buying from Amazon to be the best it can possibly be. So don't put fake reviews on there and don't ask other people to, which leads me nicely to number two. Don't go on social media and say, please leave me a review for my book, because you will get people who are trying to be nice. They think they're doing you a favor and they will go on there and put a fake review on. The other thing that people do is they do legitimately buy the product from you, but then they go and put the review on while they're thinking about it before they've actually received the product. And Amazon can see what date the order went through. They know that even if it's going by Amazon Prime, you're not going to get it now. You're not going to get it within seconds. So make sure legitimately it could have actually been received. If it's a book, have they had time to even read it? Think about those things. However, there is an exception with this, which is Amazon Kindle books. So if someone buys a Kindle from you, yes, they might have completely devoured that book in a matter of hours. But again, hours, not minutes. And if somebody hasn't legitimately bought it, Amazon will put a strike on your account. And you don't want that. You have to protect your Amazon account above everything else. It's more important than sales. Yeah, I actually said that. It's more important than sales. Protect your Amazon account. And if you want to find out why I'm so passionate about this, watch this video next. So what's the alternative to doing a broad post? So how about approaching people individually, doing what's called personal outreach, speaking to people that you know have ordered the book? And what about if somebody goes on something like Facebook and they say, I've ordered the book, it's amazing, or you've done a post talking about the book, for example, or t-shirt or hoodie or garden furniture or whatever it was. You've done a post on there or even a paid ad, and they've gone on and said just how brilliant they think it is. They've received it, they love it. Then ask them for a review, because they genuinely actually went to the effort of typing out their comment. They have something to say about it, but they may not have thought about doing it on Amazon itself. So don't ask your uncle, Mr. I think I'm super funny, to leave a review. Not if he's going to put something like, oh, can I have the tenner now for doing this? Or is this what you asked me to put? We don't want those on there. Assume Amazon hasn't got a sense of humour, please. And looking at your reviews, people are savvy. People know that if you've got 500 5-star reviews, there's something a bit funny going on, a bit sus. Look at these. So I was looking at buying a standing desk and I thought, right, I'll have a look at the reviews. And some of these have got a lot of reviews. The one on the right there, 15,000. Wow. But not one of those ones has got 5-star reviews across the board. You don't want 100% 5-star reviews, because that will look fake. Even the world's most successful products will not garner 5-star reviews all the time. Of course they won't. If it's too gushy, there will be a lack of authority. People just won't believe it. So that's my final point, really. Don't be disheartened if you don't get 5-star reviews across the board. Think about it as it's giving a more rounded view of your product. And also remember, you can't please everybody all of the time. But what it does do is it shows that those reviews are not just your fan club. And if you've yet to start selling anything at all on Amazon, KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is a great way to start. You don't need to have already written a full-on book. You can start with something as simple as a notebook. And if you want to find out more, start with this next video.